In this video tutorial, we'll review how to use your meal plan. First, open the shared link your practitioner has sent to you. This shared link will contain the meal plan your practitioner has created for you, along with an itemized grocery list and delicious recipes. Your meal plan includes a full grocery list that outlines the ingredients you will need to follow this meal plan. You can find it by clicking the List tab from your planner. Before you head out to do your shopping, take some time to go through the list and check off any items that you already have. This will save you time and money. The grocery list is organized into categories based on how a typical grocery store is laid out. This will allow you to do your grocery shopping in an organized order, starting with fruits, then vegetables, etc. Doing your shopping this way will save you time. To get back to your plan, click the Plan button. You can view the recipe cards from directly within the planner by clicking on them. If your practitioner has enabled editing capabilities, a modal will appear. This will allow you to modify the number of servings as needed. To view the recipe card, select the icon with the 3 dots and select View Recipe Details. Every recipe states the total number of servings and the total prep time so that you know how many servings the recipe creates and how long it will take you to make it. You can slide the serving slider up or down to scale the recipe to meet your needs. Before you start cooking, assemble all of the ingredients and prep them according to the ingredients list. Unless otherwise indicated, you will be eating 1 serving of each meal. So, if a recipe serves 4, prepare it, divide it into 4 even portions, and enjoy 1 portion. You can also locate recipes from the home page. Click on Home in the top left corner. Here, you can use filters to see only what you need. For example, if you'd like to see all of the snack recipes, enter the snack tag. You can use the filters to scroll through to see what's available to you. To view your meal plan at any time, select the plan from under the My Plans area. When viewing your meal plan, you may notice that some meals appear to be gray or shaded out. This means that the meal has been marked as a leftover. You've already prepared it, so you do not need to make it again. Cook once, eat multiple times. Leftovers are a great way to save you money and time in the kitchen. Lastly, to navigate back to your home page, click Home in the top left. If your practitioner has made any additional resources available to you, they will be linked under Attachments. And that's how easy it is to view and use your meal plan.